Hi everyone, Katie here with rentportlandhomes.com, and we are out in Vancouver today at 7915 Northeast 92nd Avenue. And we're going to take a look at this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Beautiful 2-car garage attached to the house, as you can see. This home is also equipped with a Rently box if you would like to see it on your own schedule. So here in the entryway, very big and open, very tall ceilings right here. Off to our left, we have a nice understairs storage closet. Over here to the right, we have another storage closet, so plenty of storage space in this home. Good view of the living room here. Complete with fireplace and a cute little alcove for your TV. Off to our right, here on the main floor, we have the little half bath and the laundry room. So washer dryer hookups only. And then off of the laundry room, we have the inside of the garage. And the garage has these built-in shelves that are really handy for all of your storage. Anything you need to put in the garage, there's plenty of room. Let's go check out the kitchen. So a cute little dining area here. Island with breakfast bar. And then the kitchen has these beautiful tile counters in all black stainless steel appliances. Brand new. So gorgeous updated kitchen here. And we're gonna go out to the backyard. Just take a look at that. Covered patio area. And then cute little backyard back here. Perfect for hanging out outside and entertaining. No pets, unfortunately, at this home. Let's go check out the bedrooms upstairs. So a very wide staircase, which is great. And straight ahead, we're gonna check out the master bedroom first. It's a very large master bedroom. Plenty of space. And the master bath. So dual sinks. Large soaker tub over here. And you have your separate stand-up shower. And a beautiful large walk-in closet. Plenty of shelves. And then check out the other 3 bedrooms. Cute little seating area here. Could be a perfect little reading nook. Cute little linen closet. Then off to one of the bedrooms. Decent closet space. Again, all brand new carpets throughout as well. And the second full bath. And then we have the other 2 bedrooms. Good windows with natural light, opening up to a view of the neighborhood. Again, good closet space here. And the last of the 4 bedrooms. Again, big windows, lots of light. And this one has a much larger closet, actually a walk-in closet in this bedroom. So again, this is a beautiful 4-bed, 2.5 bath home out here in 92nd Avenue in Vancouver. It does have a Rently box if you are wanting to see it on your own schedule, or you can call us and set up a time to come see it in person, because it is gorgeous. Tons of space, very open. Little recap, and we'll go back outside. So check it out, rentportlandhomes.com.